quick, there's no time to explain. There's an incredible deal that the DX Commander is putting on for Black Friday, and there's a bit of a giveaway that I'm cooking into this as well. So stay tuned to the end of this video, but let's go to Callum to hear the details.
Josh, I'd like to thank you very much for playing along with this and helping us out here. We're doing a bit of a Black Friday special. It's the DX Commander Classic, not at £269 there, or $349 from DX Engineering, but using Josh's special link, you can buy it for £240, which is about 300 US, free shipping, okay? Worldwide, okay? I mean, maybe not out to Mongolia, right? We've got to be able to ship it normally, right? But could be down under Tasmania, New Zealand, or whatever else. So you get the pole, you get the DX10Y, you get the plate set and the accessories, and the cuddly teddy bear. No, you don't. You don't get the teddy bear. We're not doing the teddy bear for Black Friday. So, but it's Josh's link will support Josh, and if Josh wins, okay, he'll get an extra special packet of biscuits and special house points just for him. Josh, back to you in the studio, mate. Thanks for playing along. All the best.
So you heard him. This is a bit of a competition, and I want to win. So here is what I'm going to do. If I win, I'm going to give away the DX Commander antenna, but I'm going to assemble it, tune it, and build it for you, the giveaway winner, and then I'll ship it to you. If I don't win the competition, I'm still going to give away whatever Callum sends me to all of you watching, potentially. But there's my promise. I will tune up the antenna and send it before I give it away. So jump into the description and take the link. $300 USD folding dollar bills is actually a really good deal for a shipped DX Commander Classic. And hey, if I win, someone will win a tuned up one that I will ship to you for free. Hey.